Okay, today is the October 27th, and this is the next task that I have to do. So anyway, I got to pull this wheel off and replace both shocks, but the main reason was because the one on the right side is destroyed. So anyway, it's not so easy. These tires are so big. They're amazing. Anyway, so I'm gonna be getting the stuff together and try to put this shock in. Oh, I got it jacked up. Boy, excuse me. There's the shock. Not the broken one, but now the other one is on the other side of the axle, which makes it a little bit harder to get access. So anyway, I'm going to do this one first. You can see the bolt up there. But I'm pulling the wheel off, so I'll have a better shot. So I'll show that later. Louise, man, this took so much up and down, up and down. Anyway, I got this one shock in right there. The that Rancho one is, you have to set something up to compress it, because to get the bellows on there, you have to let it fully expand. So in any case, I was able to do that by putting a screw jack in between here and the leaf spring, and that raised it up about 3 inches. Then I used that this red jack right here to compress the shock absorber and get it up in there so into the saddle. So anyway, I got that one done. I'm going to work on the other side.